Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Discord limited access quickly and effectively. If your account shows limited access, it usually means Discord has restricted certain features due to suspicious activity or verification issues. First, check your email inbox for any message from Discord. You may need to verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link they sent. If your phone number isn't verified, go to User Settings, then My Account, and add or confirm your phone number. Next, avoid using VPNs or unusual login locations, as they can trigger security limits. Log out of all devices and sign back in from your main device. If the restriction remains, submit a support request through Discord's official support page and explain your issue clearly. In most cases, verifying your account and confirming your identity will restore full access quickly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.